How was Beijing National Stadium inspired by a bird's nest? Imagine a structure that appears to be woven from natural materials, an intricate lattice that seems to grow organically rather than being constructed. This visual impression is no coincidence. The design of the Beijing National Stadium, also known as the bird's nest, was directly inspired by the natural world, specifically by the complex yet elegant form of a bird's nest. The idea was to create a building that embodies both strength and delicacy, much like a nest that provides protection while appearing fragile. The architects involved in the project, led by the Swiss firm Herzog and de Meuron, aimed to craft a structure that would symbolize harmony with nature and innovation. To achieve this, they drew inspiration from the way birds construct their nests using interwoven twigs and branches, creating a seemingly chaotic yet highly functional pattern. The design process involved developing a steel framework that resembles a random yet meticulously planned lattice. This framework consists of approximately 45,000 tons of steel, arranged in a way that resembles a giant, woven basket. The steel beams are interconnected in a manner that creates a porous, open structure, allowing natural light to filter through and giving the stadium a dynamic appearance. The concept was also influenced by traditional Chinese ceramics and the idea of unity and continuity. The irregular pattern of the steelwork mimics the natural randomness found in bird nests, while the overall form maintains structural integrity and stability. The design team employed advanced computer modeling to ensure that the complex lattice could support the weight of the roof and withstand environmental forces. In essence, the Beijing National Stadium's resemblances to a bird's nest is a deliberate artistic choice that combines natural inspiration with cutting-edge engineering. It captures the essence of organic forms and demonstrates how nature can influence architectural innovation, resulting in a landmark that is both functional and symbolically rich.